nasa likod. Sa gitna na. Ano?
Start niya nga yun
Yan, sa gitna na naman si Tabachoy. Tabachoy.
Kasi yung tension level niya.
Alin?
Si Alina.
Ayun nga eh. Tapos nilagay yung Tabachoy na sa gitna. What the fuck? Ay nako, napakabulok mag-line up. Don't know how to make a line up. Gawa na naman. Don't know how to protect the ball.
Ano pa?
Kaya mo, uli na naman. Oh, wala na pala. Maganda, ang bagal ng pasa ng bola. Shouldn't have touched it. Why did you touch the ball? Let's go now. What's up, Peter?
Hey, you get my ball here.
Yeah?
So,
That's fine.
thank you.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God, kapos. Ang bagal. Ewan. Come on, steal it.
Oh, wow. Good pass. Good try. Three together. Corner. Bundle together.
Oh, bad kick. Oh, out. Hindi rin napigil nung ano. Dapat napigil niya yan. Hindi rin magaling tong team na.
Hala, sama si Nito.
You need to work with your teammate. Out. Passer again. Stolen again, of course. Sandal.
Behind you. Good try. Nice.
Lalong bumubulok tong habang tumatagal imbis na gumagaling. Hindi sila gumagaling, lalong bumubulok. Oh my god, that was a bad kick.
Follow Alexa, go! Oh! Oh! Nice try, Alexa! Hi, how are you? Good, you? Hi. I have a sweater on. Nice kick. Come on, Alina. Stop it. Stop it.
There you go. Good job. Taking the ball. Oh, you passing that too. Oh, what? There's nobody there.
Oh my gosh. What the hell?
Oh, come on. Ball. Oh my god, lost the ball again. She's locked out. Locked out again. Laki-laki, hindi ma-secure yung bola.
Ay, naku. Nice passing. Go, guys.
Watch my back. Stay on there, stay on there. Watch over it. Leland, that's yours, talk. Nice. Leland, don't be so far back. Far back, Leland. Keep it. Yeah, watch the back pass. Just remember. Oh, back. Check in, check in. Watch over. Don't over pursue, remember. Middle, over here. Help. Nice. Middle. Nice. Now, you're get that, come on. Yeah. Come on, Lila.
Yes!
Good job, Alexa. Good job, girls.
Siya nung maayos-ayos na.
Good play.
Keep your head down, come on.
Magaling siya mag-execute.
Agresibo.
Alam niya kung saan po position.
Yeah.
Keep it up. Keep your head up. Come on, heads up.
Simulat, nagpasa yung bola yung ano.
Let's go, Rockstars.
Coco Chanel. Watch that. Nice one.
Oh, you gotta kick that hard. My God. Holy, touch it. There you go. Magandang sipa. kick it forward. What are you doing? Gotta kick that forward. Ay, nawala na naman yung bola. You're supposed to stop the ball. There you go.
Oh, nice. Maya, here we go.
Alright. Goalie touch it. There you go. Nice kick. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Nobody's running. Shit. This is jogging. Oh my god. Ah, should be kicking towards the goal.
Good kick.
Kaya inisip nila ako, kaya dapat nandun yun. Yun lang naman ano niya eh, malakas sumipa.
Hindi gan.
Ha?
Hindi madalas ginagamit.
Hindi, pero pagbasang hina sumipa. Ay nako. Wow. Somebody run it. My god, you guys are not running. What the? Running too slow and not helping out. Run through the ball, don't stand there. Shit. Send it. There you go. Nobody's running to it. What the hell? Just standing around watching. Send it, send it. There you go. Cross it. Don't kick it out. Come on. Gotta have a faster turnaround. Takot yung mga ano, matalikot sa bola palagi.
Come on, Zay. Yes, Emma! Woo! Good job, Zay. Yeah, girls, keep talking. Go, 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 go.
Kalak sa ilin na nagsipa palabas. Ha? O bakit polo nila? Yes, Zay.
Nice, go back!
Good job, AJ.
Get it! Go back! Come on! Be here! Over! Bye bye! Bye bye!
Just give him a corner. Send it. Run. Why is she jogging? What the hell? Oh my God. Go, Jen. Come on, first to the ball.
Stay with the Z.
Ay, yung ano, nanonood na, tinitingnan yung bola.
Oh, wow.
Come on, Alexa.
Come, nobody's there.
Oh, good try.
Nice try, Zeke.
Good try, good pass.
Win it, Zeke. Good job, Matt. Here we go.
Ooh.
Good job, Marita.
Hindi pa nagsasap to.
What time do you play, babe?
Sino ba nakaupo? Sino saktan? Siya na?
No, basta. Seis. El otro
Tamaas mo ka? Papasok sa Camila.
It was pretty hard.
Oh, God. Out.
Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Go to it!
Campbell gonna play?
No, she's injured.
Oh, she injured?
She has like light sprain, ankle sprain.
Oh wow. From what, practice or?
No, last week's game.
Oh.
I guess.
Yeah, she went out last week, I think.
Yeah.
But she came back in. You here for the meeting?
What's that?
You here for the meeting?
I told her to she needed to come watch the kids.
Oh.
Come support your team, even if you're injured.
Yeah.
You know. I mean, I'll probably stick around for one, but I think we're done anyway. So.
Yeah, I was wondering, I go, why come for the meeting then? Where's she moving to?
I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I don't know what she's gonna do.
Is she tried out?
Huh?
Has she tried out?
No. She's injured.
No, she hasn't tried out for other teams then?
No. I don't know that she's gonna do soccer. Maybe in high school she will, but she says she wants to play volleyball.
Oh, volleyball?
Go, Rockstar!
I think she's gonna try out for flag football. Maybe I don't know, volleyball, I don't know. She's all over the place.
Seems like there's a lot of interest in flag football with these girls now.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of the soccer girls play that too. At least at our school.
Go follow through. There you go. There you go. Don't keep it. Oh, turn around, turn around. Keep going, keep going. Chase it. Chase it.
Get it! Get it!
Go.
Get it!
There you go, go.
Instead of
I don't know, should have just. She needed to touch the ball. That was surprising.
That's what I'm talking about. Now you gotta ride home, girlfriend.
Ayong. Ayong.
Ow! I can't. Oh my God! All right, stay with it. You got it. There you go. Try.
Out. Cross it.
It's hustle, Zay.
Shoot it. It's too far. What kind of advice is that?
Way to be there. Good job, lady. Your turn.
It's too hard.
So we have extra money and help out and that. And still you have to go meeting one-on-one with the boss and many things, right?
That's great
Reports.
for them.
Yeah. Especially this resume. When they get out, he has like 3 or 4 years.
No, that's helps out.
Yeah. Actually, usually before he finished school, they usually hire him.
Nice.
Usually they hire him.
So he's got, he has a good shot.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Yeah. Working actually not about money. Sometimes it's about even free. They still need
About
to do.
learning responsibility
Yeah.
and
Wake up early.
yep.
So sometimes you have to wake up at 6 o'clock to go to work. Because they make a shift.
all of them.
Yeah.
Right?
So he charge for all the express lane. You know,
Okay.
pay when you pay.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's he manage that.
Okay.
But when there's an accident or anything, he 2 minutes. See the license.
Okay.
So he pay back. Yeah, make sure that because they charge like $5 a minute,
Yeah,
then they will complain to us.
yeah. Sure.
Shoot it up there.
You know,
Help to monitor.
to monitor and deduct it back.
Okay, okay.
So a lot of work actually. But most time there's no accident, nothing. So it's just a monitor.
Bakit dalawang ano? Living champ.
Good pay.
What does he want to
Hmm?
Super.
Oo nga, bakit dalawa?
There you go. That kind of helps a little bit.
Yung man lamang ano?
Very
Nalitan.
flexible, that's the thing. You know, they're flexible, whatever
They
you want
need
to
that,
they
especially with school.
school, yeah, because each quarter, I don't think schedule.
Yeah.
All students, many students, we have many.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, but that's how we work now. We hire good students and we see if they're good, we keep them. Yeah, because it's hard to hire and then hire. It's very hard to hire.
Yeah. Well, and you can
Sandy!
Keep the pressure, Sandy. Don't stay back.
Yeah, at this age, they work hard.
they can. Some do it, right?
Yeah, actually we know, if they not.
Oh, good save.
Yeah.
But kids grow up so fast, I'm like, I was like, I'm kind of sad.
Hindi mo laman nilaro tong ano.
Yeah, right? Exactly.
Yung isa sa kanina.
It'll go by
First
very
half.
quickly, but
Yeah. Something I couldn't believe.
Yeah.
Very sad.
Hindi patas mag ano to. Ano talaga yung mga paborito niya. Yan ang ano, mag-iimbita ka ng ano, tapos yung regular mo, pauupuin mo. Yung inimbita is ano, sila naglalaro. Buti na, hindi binalik yung ano, kaibigan ng dalawang kapatid. Out. Basta sumipan. Sandy. Run. Oh, come on, chase the ball. Bagal kasi tumakbo eh. Gutom na ako.
Ellos vienen a jugar, si no van a jugar, entonces
Scratch na yung head.
tienen que hacerlo porque les gusta,
My God, may bibigay yung bola doon. Secure ng bola.
Igual cuando pierden es lo que les digo, a mí no me importa que pierdan o ganen, yo quiero que jueguen bien y que se diviertan, vienen a divertirse, no a estresarse. Ya pues si funciona, les gusta, yo no busco que sea profesional, ni nada, pero si a él le gusta y se le va dando como se le va dando, y él bien. Si no quieren, mínimo para que se mantenga ocupado, que se divierta. Han tenido suerte de que les gusta. Y también allá y el más chiquito a la que se es a la niña, a mi niña, la más chiquita. ¿Quién sabe? ¿Quién sabe?
Shoot it, Jay!
Oh,
Again! Yes!
Yes.
nice try, Rose. Nice try, Alexa.
Es que
¿Ven?
el coach a mí me dijo, yo estoy llevando
Ya,
con
viene con él.
ya ves que ayer Rafinha, y a mí el coach me dijo, está bien que lo lleves con él, pero ten mucho cuidado con él. Porque ahí con el
Parang bronze lang yung kalaban, o silver.
mundo tienen mucho a los
¿Sabes por qué también nunca lo quise llevar a Marcos? Porque yo a Arnold juega a porque quiso desarrollar una fortaleza alrededor de la rodilla.
Swing. ¿Ah?
sí, y fue lo que yo te digo, lo estuve llevando.
Okay, hawak mo ang beat. Mga beat.
Sí, de vez en cuando sí lo meto, que juegue, pero ya nomás por
Sabi nga.
Sí, que no sea por
para agarrar ese
poco de
porque el lindo, el lindo te despeja la mente, tienes que pensar rápido.
pero yo creo que todavía es un poquito diferente al futsal. El lindo, no es una sustancia así, el pasto,
Go, Alexa. Oh.
Pero en el futsal, sí, porque luego se dan parones de rápido. Esto que les hace.
Está bien, no, pues hay que estar un ratito a ver.
¿Juego a las tácticas
Aquí.
Aquí me da. Aquí te quedas y te mando el uniforme con. Ok, thank you. Te mandamos el uniforme con ahí.
Oh my God.
Hold up there!
Go, go. Go. Shoot. Ah, should have stopped.
Good try.
Let's try that, please. Ma, ¿por qué tú comiendo mis? Hey, yo pagué. Yo pagué.
Cállate,
Yo pagué.
no pagaste. Pagaste.
Yo no tengo. Yo no tengo. ¿Tú tienes la mano?
A ver, te le está diciendo.
Oh, yo tengo en casa. ¿Quieres la de música? También la de. Tengo cena.
Run, run.
Go ball, West Valley.
I gotta kick it hard on that. Come on, you gotta get to the ball. Oh, yung ano, tabacho. No, didn't touch the head. Oh my god.
Nice throw it. Stay with it. Go, Sonny. Go.
Offsides. Hindi nila na-catch yung offsides.
Yeah, shoot it! Shoot it!
I think she was offsides. Di ba? Ha? Yak. Hindi na-miss nga eh. Layo na agwat niya sa ano eh. Ayun ang agwat niya sa depensa.
They better not even call that offside.
Hindi offside.
Oh, mukha. Para sa akin, mukhang gano'n. Dahil nakita ko, nag-iisa siya eh.
Oh shit.
Ano ba?
Yung parents.
Ano? Warning?
We want the parents to be out.
Casey's arguing, saying that it's offsides.
Come on, it doesn't matter. It's pretty... Not gonna score more.
Mas probably talking shit.
Ha?
Talk shit.
One more goal's not gonna matter.
Estaba atrás de la red. que te está pagando. Mira, esta es la mitad de la gente. Corre de antes de que hagan el paso. No importa. Pero si estás ya pelado, está en hay gente que ahorita las llaves que están todas las de negro líneas y las de estas están de este lado. Entonces, allí, digamos que van para allá y si ya no hay nadie más, está bien. Pero si es al revés, echada línea, una niña, como quiera, ahorita, digamos que la 18, y digamos que Alexa está de este lado de la niña, antes de que haga el cambio, para que no esté fuera del lugar, tiene que estar.
Hindi mo ba nakita yun? Walang defender sa ano. Ang laki ng agwat niya.
A la niña en medio no importa que no haya ninguna niña. Y siempre y cuando sea después de una
Kinuko nga bago ano. Bago nangyari yung
esta vez está acá, ya sin el pase, está de este lado de la raya, pero
na-miss lang ng ano, referee.
Tatlo na sila yung nakatingin. Tatlo na sa gitna.
Na-miss nila eh. Dapat ito nakita nito at saka yung sa gitna. Dahil pagtingin ko, ang nasarap niya lang yung goalie.
Go, go, go! Go, Sandy! Come on! Go, go, go!
claro, ¿este te puede?
Wait, what school did you go to?
So tell them to give you, tell them to give you.
Because I emailed the chick and she said no, but truthfully, I mean,
Kick. Need to run fast in the middle. Hindi niya bagal.
I don't want to act as long as it does, but I really want to get that. So when I
Is that handball?
No more 2 clean hits. According to her, but if it's only 2. So the July 28th, I wanted to do it 2 days early because I do it because I'm 21 and I wanted to, nice for him. Yeah. So I was like, we can go do something fun and then whatever. I mean, I would hate Martin as well, but I mean, whatever.
the listeners and people that go, I'm gonna try to get it, but if it doesn't work out, she told me I asked her she would call me. She would call me in an hour. That's why I wanted to check up with. Oh no. Yeah, I mean I text her like I chat today, like cool, and I said yeah, I'll call you in an hour. It's up to you. Okay.
It's too hard. That wasn't even close. That wasn't even close.
Quanto tempo nel meglio?
Yo no sé, dile a él. Dice que necesito Dice esto.
Eres igual defensa y igual defensa y
Ya, right now.
tienes que decirlo.
Juego straight y luego con la próxima
Send it, Natalie!
me va a dejar cerca porque Angie la veo en roja. Mami, ahora la veo en roja.
Go, Shaggy, go!
Oh my god.
Ocho o siete.
That's it. There you go. Kick it.
Where's Marita?
Job, Brett! Go, help her! Help her!
Haz que anote a veces que buscar pero pues tiene la marca atrás, la mano tiene enfrente, pero corre con eso.
Oh my god. It's right in front of you already. Need a new goalie.
Ama
hina naman nun. Labak na ng konti eh.
Girls, let's do this.
Oh, what? There's only 7 minutes left. Not gonna get much done. Foul. Ha?
Bakit mag-ano?
Foul. Tinulak si Ashley. Pambihan. She's kicking better. That was handball.
Keep driving, keep driving, keep driving. Keep driving.
Good job, Natalie.
Too far, should have kicked it more to the middle. Kick it to the side, right in the middle. Send it, they're already half the field. Close to the goal. On 4 minutes.
dámelo a ella y así quedaría.
Come on, Sandy, stay with it, Alessandra. Sandy, go.
Should be time. Come on.
Go. Go, Alessandra, you got it. Send it back. Stay with it. Yes. Hey, Rector! Sandy! Alessandra, go! Sandy, go! Go! Go, Sandy! Go! Good job!
Dapat ano eh, last 15 minutes nagki-keep away na lang sila. Random na lang ginagawa. Hindi marunong mag-coach.
When you got time.
Lalong tumataba to.
Ano?
Ayan o. Likod mo.